guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Oppo F19. On the front you can see the phone's name and at the back specifications of the phone are mentioned. So like this you can slide it out. Let's get inside the box. First of all you can see the lid. In this we have SIM ejector tool and documentation like the safety guide and quick start guide, and also the silicone back cover which will protect the phone. So guys, here is the Oppo F19, a good looking phone. At the back you have a rectangular 48 megapixel AI camera module with Oppo branding at the bottom right. The phone has this midnight blue color with a glossy finish which gives an attractive look to the phone. Now we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone, and here is the 2-pin wall charger which supports 33 watts fast charging facility. And also here we have earphones, which is a good addition from the company. So that's all you get inside the Oppo F19 box. Thank you so much for watching this video.